Greetings and a warm welcome to the instructional video for the Balance Advance created by BRUMABA. In this brief video, I would like to demonstrate how this works. I should sit down immediately. The height adjustment operates using the foot. This means I have the plate positioned here and I can press downward here to descend easily. And when I wish to go up, I stand on the plate and can simply ride up without any difficulty or effort. If you possess the balance of F and B, you also possess an additional brake here, which you simply activate by standing on it with both feet. Then a foot comes out here so you can't roll back. The height adjustment here, that is a very important topic, that you sit as high as possible, and then with this seat part, here you have the possibility to adjust the seat part with the lever here at the back, right? So that you have as open an angle as possible. That implies approximately 130 degrees is in fact the ideal temperature, allowing the veins to flow freely. By keeping your feet firmly planted on the ground, you create the ideal situation for maintaining an upright posture without any inclination to slouch or slump. Furthermore, on the rear left side, we have the backrest positioned in this particular area. They can also drive nicely into the lotus. And if you notice, this is actually too low, too high for me. Then we have another lever here. With this, you have the ability to adjust the height individually for yourself. Now let's proceed to our multifunctional armrest from Balance Advance. The main attraction. We have the lever here for adjusting the height. With one hand, you can easily make adjustments to it. I would prefer to do it this way. Exactly, and you have the option to simulate it to some extent. So it would be good for me now. I'm blocking. Then we have a ball joint here. With this, you can no longer open and close with just half a turn here, otherwise you will have difficulties later. And can you just adjust the ball joint? That is pleasant. And in order to further adjust the length, you have an additional lever located down here, a wing nut, where you can also make additional adjustments to the length. Say so, that is pleasant for me. Please have a seat. This way I could commence my work now. Then close the ball joint and also the wing screw, and then you have a truly nice stable arm support. Small tip on the side. You can also leave this wing screw open if you want to treat it, because perhaps you want to approach from the side or simply change the position. Then it is not bad if I can just push it back a little. You do the same with the other armrest. Lever up, lever on, and then just see what is the right position for you. That feels very good for me, and then you can work really nicely. As is customary at BRUMABA, our cushions are removable and all cushions are high-frequency welded, so you can clean them wonderfully. Just make sure when selecting the disinfectant that it does not have a higher alcohol content of more than 30% and also no chlorine content either. Just like our rolls, they are closed and really easy to clean. And very important, of course, that they drive nicely so that you can easily change position without suffering a hip injury. Now I wish you a lot of fun with your Balance Advance and many ergonomic hours.